Oh, some of the destination. Oh, that is the Long Beach Aquarium. Oh, the lady Shuai. And that was the shot. I'm sure she was to see that. And the aquarium key parking the delay to the delay Matembi and those shit. And then Miss Mamu shoot the limit to that. Namshitis Mazub de Shah. Oh, lasso. Let's see that. Sure.
Adults, 1, 2, that's a good thing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Advanced reservation requires. Ale. What's it here? So check. Let's check for mommy, right? Oh, this is a Long Beach Aquarium.
So those fish, they're very sweet and very curious as well. And so unfortunately, they're kind of easy targets for spear fishermen. And so unfortunately, what would happen is actually they don't actually reach sexual maturity until around 20 years old or so. So it's kind of hard for them to replenish their population because of that period of time. So actually their numbers were actually declining quite a bit, but luckily we've actually we're the first actual facility to successfully breed and then release baby Pacific sea bass into the wild in hopes that we are actually bolstering their population, and we have actually seen a rebound in their population. So that is really cool, and also we can also thank everybody who's in here for helping out. The proceeds of your visit really does go to a lot of good there, including those giant Pacific sea bass. Now we also do have some sharks in here as well, so a lot of people pointing at them, and those are leopard sharks, and again, you can actually find them right off our coast here, sometimes even in the shallows as well, but of course over in the blue cavern there as well. Also kind of near the top right now, it looks like we have one of our bat rays who's coming over to say hi. A really cool species there. And if you want to actually pet a bat ray, well guess what, you actually can. It's
Oh, that's also Nalogi. Demo Chimbo Shu Chongso. The aquarium gi chilo lady. Oh, that the ocean. That is there, the ocean get two or that is. Dilla do a color that is. Island of Chinju Chadi. And there this is the Long Beach Aquarium. The little see the Aquarium of the Pacific. So this is what it looks like, and Long Beach Aquarium is beautiful. We were inside and we checked it out, everything there. So now I'm outside and just taking some shots here, and you see this the very beautiful small ship. I believe this is owned by the individual, the business people. And you see the namshi was huge, and some kids are playing here. There's a waterfall, and there goes shit. Whoa, the weather is beautiful today. All right.